Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I've tried filming this video like maybe 5 times, but I keep sitting here feeling like it's way too formal and yeah, I just don't like doing that. So we're gonna try this again, see how it goes. I have so many questions from you guys for this Q&A, so yeah, let's get right into it. So let's start with the basics. My name is Olivia. I am 22 years old. I was born and raised in Massachusetts. I'm currently in college at Norwich University. It's a military school, and I'm studying mechanical engineering. I've been a swimmer for about 16 years, and in school, I swim for my school's team. And I've always been like a pretty creative person, I guess. So like I kind of have that weird like left and right brain split kind of down the middle, which is why I do engineering and content creation. And yeah, back in August of 2020, I started making money online. I started freelancing on Fiverr, and now I'm a social media manager and a content creator, and I have like 6 streams of income at this point, and yeah. Okay, question number 1 is, when did you start freelancing? So I started freelancing in August of 2020. Question number 2, are you registered as an LLC or a sole prop? So it's a really good question. I am currently just a sole proprietor. I do not have an LLC at the moment. Would I like to get one? Yes. There are many benefits to having an LLC, a lot of which I just don't really understand because that's not my field of interest. Long story short, I'm just a sole prop right now. I'm not an LLC. Okay, this is my most common question, which is, did you take a course for affiliate marketing? Yes, I took 2-3 courses for affiliate marketing. All right, well, let's back it up. So I took numerous courses. The first course I ever took online was Alex Fasula's course. That was not an affiliate marketing course, that was for freelancing. The next one I took, though, which is what kind of everyone knows me for at this point, is I took the Legendary Marketer courses. That one did teach me a little bit about affiliate marketing. The next one I took was the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, which was by Jonathan Montoya. That one is specifically for affiliate marketing. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to like go through that one. I highly recommend that one out of all of the courses that I took for affiliate marketing. The last one I took, which was kind of like a lump in of a bunch of other stuff, was Brambilla Method. So that one is by Adrian Brambilla. He talks a lot about like side hustles and stuff in there too, but he briefly, well, more than briefly, goes over affiliate marketing and how to get started with that. Personal opinion, I would recommend Jonathan Montoya's 3-day course. That one you can breeze through in a few hours, and like there's just a ton of information in there. So if you want to start affiliate marketing, I'll leave the link in the description below for that one. Actually, I'll leave the link for all 3 in case you guys want to check them out. But all 3 are great courses, but that one in particular would be perfect for anyone wanting to start affiliate marketing. Here's another really good one. How do I find time for all of my projects and everything I do? It didn't all start at once. Like all the stuff I'm doing right now, like it took over probably almost 2 years to get to the point where I am right now. Like at this time in 2020, before I even got started on Fiverr, I was just reading. I was reading business books. Like I had no intention of like starting my own business or anything like that, but I learned like the fundamental stuff that nobody really teaches you in school. So you gotta start with those building blocks, and you can eventually work up to the point where like you understand what you need to be doing on a daily basis. I recommend using a lot of like tracking tools. So Todoist is an amazing tool to use. Notion is an amazing tool that I wish I came across a lot earlier. Google Calendar, I live off of my Google Calendar. Google Calendar is literally my lifesaver. But yeah, just keeping track of all of that stuff has really helped build me up to the point where I am today, and just learning one skill at a time. Like when I first started out, it was all copywriting stuff. Anything that had to do with copywriting and mastering Fiverr. You know, I wasn't trying to branch out into affiliate marketing right away, and like, yeah, I had all these different ideas in my head, but I knew that if I tried to like do all of them, I would get so overwhelmed so quickly. Learn one skill at a time, and eventually you can apply all of those skills to multiple different projects and multiple different things in your life. So the next 2 questions that I got are kind of like really similar. The first one is how to put your face/yourself out onto the internet, and the next one is it just says confidence in front of the camera. The reason I'm lumping these 2 together is because in order to put yourself onto the internet, you need to have that inner confidence. And don't get me wrong, like that is not something that just comes naturally and right away. It is very, very uncomfortable to do that at first, and I had to overcome that. little side story. Apparently all of the people up at school now know what I do, which is great and awesome, but it's also super uncomfortable because I see these people on a daily basis because a news article was just put out about me and how much I made the past like year and a half of doing what I'm doing. And I'm in this like really awkward stage right now where I'm like, oh my god, I like the attention, like it's super cool, like people know what I'm doing now, but at the same time it's like, oh, I'm kind of embarrassed about what I'm doing, even though I have no right to be embarrassed. But like that whole initial like, oh, people haven't seen me online, like, because like all these people are strangers on TikTok. All 360,000 people that follow me, they're strangers, with the exception of maybe like 100 people. But to me it was just like, oh, I don't really care, I'm just gonna make content, do what I want. Like even right now talking to the camera right here, like for me it's less of a personal thing and more of just me talking to the camera, because like I enjoy doing that. I enjoy like putting content out for you guys, but I don't feel the judgment because it's just me alone in my room filming right now, as sad as that kind of sounds. But for some people they go viral right away, but that shouldn't stop you from putting out content if that's what you want to do. You know, it will take time to build up that confidence and stuff like that, but honestly, whenever I'm talking, like right now, I'm just pretending that like the camera is a FaceTime call and that I'm just talking to like my sister or, you know, one of my best friends from home, because that's what makes me feel comfortable, and that eventually will build that confidence. Confidence will come with time, but the more that you keep producing content and the more that you just keep putting yourself out there and just making things and figuring out what works and what doesn't work, what you like and what you don't like, that's when everything will just tie together really nicely and you'll have that confidence on camera. Screw the haters. Who cares what the internet says? It's your content, it's your stuff, it's your life. Do what you want with it. Is it possible to grow on Instagram or TikTok without having multiple niches? Yes, you can have one or multiple niches. It really doesn't matter. How to start a side hustle, ... Fiverr takes too much time to maintain gigs and a profile. Oh my god, preach to this. So if you want to learn how to start a side hustle, I literally have another YouTube talking about this. I'll either link it here and probably in the video description below as well. Oh my god, I just realized how like messy my bed is in the background. Ignore that, didn't make my bed before the video. So many different side hustles that you can start. You don't need to just start it on Fiverr. That's just where I personally started. Can you explain what affiliate marketing links are and how to incorporate them into different side hustles? Yes, again, I have a separate video talking about this, but for instance, with this video, I will have some affiliate links, which I mentioned earlier, which are like the courses, different softwares that I use that I will probably put in the video description below. And if any of you guys watching this video are like, oh, I want to like try that out, you guys click the link. If you make a purchase through there, then I will make what's called a commission from that specific company, from that specific brand, whatever it is. It's the same with blogging. If you're talking about, say, health and fitness or like supplements or something in one blog post, you can totally put in affiliate links for different supplements and stuff like that, and you can make extra money. New follower and fellow student, ooh, exciting. What steps in your process have gained you the most success so far? Okay, so I actually had to sit and think about this one before I recorded this section of the video. I would say consistency, and this is probably something that you're gonna see pop up like from everyone on like social media and stuff like that, but it's true. If you are not consistent with what you do, if you're not consistent about putting out videos, it doesn't have to be like once a day, you guys. It could be, you know, once a week or something. But as long as you are consistent about doing it on a daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly basis, that's how you're going to learn the skills. That's how you're going to, you know, learn how to manage your time, stuff like that. It really is just about consistency and putting yourself out there every single day, or writing that blog post every single week, or whatever it may be. You just need to be consistent with it. All right, this is another extremely popular question I get, and it's how do you organize your money, and do you pay taxes on your earnings? Yes, I do pay taxes on my earnings. Have I paid taxes yet? I will show you. I will make a whole other YouTube video on that once I have to do that for April 15th. How do I organize my money though? QuickBooks. I use QuickBooks to organize everything right now. Is it the most conducive way to manage my money as a freelancer? There's definitely better options out there. I haven't really come across much yet. I also am working with an accountant / CPA. Again, I'm not a financial expert, you guys. It's still an area that I'm so lost and confused in. So not the best question for me. What are the platforms to get more traffic other than Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest? Y'all, you already know my answer with this one. TikTok and YouTube. You're not using those two. You are wrong right now. You are wrong. What keeps you motivated? Dang, you guys really hit me with these like deep questions. What keeps me motivated is the fear that somebody else is going to determine my life choices for me, and I'm not about that. I choose freedom every single day, and what I'm doing right now gives me that freedom. So that's what keeps me motivated. Someone asked, can I be your mentee? Yes. So I do like sort of coaching things. I don't have like a mastermind or anything like that, but I do have a link, I'll put it below, where you can basically, it's like a 5 to 7 minute personalized like review of like your account, and I can like, you know, talk to you about like your strategy and stuff like that. Very quick, very simple. But if you want like more one-on-one time with me, I do have what I call one-on-one social media audits. It's not just social media stuff. If you want help with like affiliate marketing, if you want help with, you know, Fiverr, like you can totally book a call with me for that too. I'll also drop that below. All right, last question is how to make an effective Fiverr gig. I actually have a complete YouTube video talking about this, so I'll also link that below. All right, you guys, that is a wrap on this Q&A session. If you like this, please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions or, you know, specific video requests, feel free to throw them in the comments below. I am more than willing to create them for you. So yeah, have a great day and I'll see you next time.